The Igbankwu stage of marrying an Igbo woman.
Ndị be anyị, ezigbo ndị be anyị njem ọnụ, ana m ekele unu, ndewonu. Afa m bụ Eziada Aukwu Gizel Chidera. Aha ejiri mara m ọfụma, aha eji etu m ọnụ bụ Dera Gizel. Iwatago? So I'm here to give you an important information today. So guys, I have 3 videos related to this video. This video is the conclusion. This video is the final video in this marriage series, Igbo marriage series. And like I explained in those 3 earlier videos, there are 4 processes in marrying an Igbo woman. Yes. And the 4th process, which I'm going to be explaining today, the most popular process that most people know, and most people think that this process is the only thing involved. They don't know that there's a lot of background work that goes on before this one, which is why the first 3 videos are important. Yes. So this step is called the Imanku, the official wine carrying. Iwatago. So when you find an Igbo woman and you go through the process of Ikwaka or Ijese, Omuna, Imego, which is the bride price, there's supposed to be the main celebration, the main wine carrying, the one that involves everybody. You know what Igbo people call Igwemadu, like everybody. This is one that involves everybody. Although because of modernization and work demands and because of the stress of traveling, nowadays so many Igbo people combine the Imego and the Igbankwu. They do everything on the same day and just give their daughters out in marriage. But normally the Imanku is supposed to be on a separate day. It's supposed to be the merriment day. And you guys, if the list has not been brought completely, like if the man married the woman has not brought everything completely, this Igbankwu is not going to be possible. Yes, it's not going to be possible. The whole list is supposed to be completed before the Igbankwu now takes place. And the Igbankwu involves the young girl going to kneel in front of her father, or in a case where her father is not around. Yes, around, I mean if he's not alive or something, she's supposed to go and kneel in front of one of her uncles, maybe an extended family, maybe the oldest man in the village, depending on how they want it. So she will kneel down and he's going to pray for her, and after praying for her, he's going to give her wine in a cup, which is why I carry this, my cup. A green cup. It's actually supposed to be a guard, like traditionally this wooden cup that they make with the same materials that they used to make calabash. So he's supposed to give her wine in this cup, and she will carry the wine in this cup and dance around the whole compound looking for her husband. Different young men will be beckoning on her, and she's going to be like, nah, I'm looking for my husband. She's going to be focused on looking for her husband, and immediately she sights her husband, she goes to kneel in front of him. There's usually a lot of jubilation, and yes, the man is supposed to accept the wine from her. When he accepts the wine and when they are done with all the drinking and everything, he's supposed to put a sum of money in the cup. It's just like a gift, like as they gave him wine, he's giving them back the gift, you understand? So he's supposed to put a sum of money into the cup, and as he puts it into the cup, he's supposed to dance with his new wife to her father, to her relatives, to her umuna. And when they dance to them, the father now prays for her and her husband, and officially you are married. Yes. If you like, you do your white wedding. If you like, you do your cut wedding. If you like, you don't do any of them. As long as you do the traditional marriage in Igbo land, that woman is officially your wife. And after the whole merriment and everything, the wife is supposed to go home with the husband. It is never heard of. Like, it has never happened. If it happens, it's a taboo. She's not supposed to sleep in her father's house that night. She's supposed to go with her husband and his people to her husband's house. Then the next morning she'll wake up there, do the house chores in the house, prepare food for the extended family. The girl does not sleep in her father's house on the night of her traditional marriage. Abomination. Yeah, so that's it for the Igbankwu, and after the Igbankwu comes the Iduno, like sending the girl forth. She will come back with her husband on another day, and they may do it on the same day. They may do it on the Igbankwu day, or they will come back on another day, and on that day the family is going to be presenting her with different things that will be essential to her in her home. Like they're sending her forth into her home, so they give her pots, plates, blenders, freezers. Some families that can afford it even give their daughters cars. They give her baby bath. They give her different items for Iduno. Yeah, so you guys, this is going to be the end of the Igbo marriage series, the steps involved in marrying an Igbo woman. I hope you love your host. I hope you love your storyteller and your explainer, Dara Giselle. Yes, if you love me and you enjoyed these videos, you learned a thing or two from these videos and you're so grateful, please subscribe to this channel. Yes, subscribe to this channel. Turn on the post notification so that you'll be notified whenever there's a new video on this channel. Like everything beautiful, everything wedding, like I know you guys love weddings, so why have you not subscribed? Subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and being patient all through this series, and I'm going to be saying bye bye, Cordino.